Hi, I am George. Today I'm gonna plant watermelon from seed. I have there my own seeds of watermelon. I did extract them from the watermelon and I will try to grow my own watermelons again the summertime, and fruit is very delicious, as you know, and I hope I will plant these seeds and I hope it will germinate. Should be germinating in about 2 or 3 weeks. We will see, and all we need to do is to put these seeds in water for 1 day to soak the seeds and then plant in the soil. So I do that. So let's do that to grow my own watermelons. In the last years I bought watermelon seedlings, but now I will try to grow my own seedlings. So let's try to do. So beautiful I made that, and I chose 32 seeds and I have to soak them in water. In the container that I will plant them are about 32 places, 32 holes, and all we need to do is put in a glass with water for 1 day to soak the seeds, and let's do that. The seeds stood almost about 1 day in water, and now we need to squeeze the water. I think it's enough. Now we have to plant these watermelon seeds. I will plant the seeds in these containers, and there are 32 holes, and we need to put some soil in those holes, and let's do that. I chose the universal soil, and I just put soil there. I filled the holes with soil, and now I have to water the soil and then plant the seeds. Now let's plant the seeds, and one seed in one hole, and let's do that. Now we need to cover the seeds with soil. So I finished and now waiting for germination. I hope it will germinate and I will make a video update. And thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and have an amazing day. Greetings from Moldova. Subscribe to my channel, like and share, and see you next time. Bye.